Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids147, and I've got another diamond painting unboxing for you. So if you saw my last diamond painting unboxing, I've started to order what I call season trees to display in my front room, and I'll change them as the seasons change. So I thought it's a good way of displaying a few diamond paintings but not taking up too much space on my wall. So this one I ordered from Homfun, whichever way you want to call it. The last one I ordered from This Paint, which seems to be like the same company from what I can tell. Everything seemed to be the same, but this time I ordered it from them. It arrived quite quickly. I think I ordered it on about the 21st, I want to say, of February. And I got a card through the door on the 4th of February. So I've just collected it from the post office because, of course, it was my day off and it wasn't my day off. And of course that's when the postie came. So we've got a nice box. It's a little bit bashed, but I'm not too worried. And then in the box we have your standard toolkit. So we have your white tray with a spout. We have the pen with a 3-placer. We do have a wax, a grip seal bag, maybe 2, and a little pair of tweezers. And then, whoop, all wrapped up-ish together. See, it's packaged very much the same, if not exactly the same. We have the diamonds. So this is the tree. Now it's supposed to have a green background, but this one looks like it's all white. But we'll see what that's like when we get into it. So yeah, we've got all white. We've got 5200 gazillions in there. And then we've got the canvas, which looks like it's taken a bit of a beating. So let's have a look at this first. We've got those little rubber bands that you can't see, but they're there. And then we are wrapped around a foam core. So first off, we'll just sort of unwrap and let it wrap back up on itself while we release the foam core. It's a 50 by 50, and that's the image, which is actually different to what I ordered. So I ordered it with the green background, and if I pause, I will go and get my phone and that will show you what it looked like. Bear with me. Okay, so I've got my phone. So this is what I ordered. This one up at the top. And as you can see, it has a green background, similar to my winter tree that had a blue background. Now, guaranteed it wasn't a very blue background, but it was requested to be blue. This one is supposed to be green, and it is most definitely not. And it's upside down. So to me, that is not what I ordered. But we'll have a look at the canvas anyway. And while I've managed to get my phone, this one was £13.79, and I did order this directly from Homfun. So let's have a look at how these ripples may or may not have affected the canvas. Let's see if we can get the canvas open. Now, in regards to the cover paper, right, this is tightly wound. I do believe that you can cause some ripples on it by, you know, making it go flat. Please excuse the noise. See, look, there's one. However, I don't think that necessarily affects. It may affect a bubble in the glue, that they're fine to get out. However, I don't think they affect the actual quality of the canvas that the seller may have sent to you. And I'll show you what I mean by that in a moment. I am just at the moment trying to get it to lay flat, and then I will go through it in more detail, because this one is very tightly woven. So see if I can get this peeled back. That is a lot of white. That is a lot of white. And lastly, this top corner. Now I'll have a look at the inventory sheet in a minute and see how many colours this one had. My other one that actually came with the background in the colour came with 20 colours. So I'll have a look. So that's the canvas flat. My main check for any problems is the back. So holding this up at an angle, there is the odd little sort of ripple or crease in the back of the canvas. However, there is no bubbles. So to me, that is going to be a good canvas. If there's any bubbles in the glue, they will come out. And that will just be a matter of scoring it and they'll come out fine. So I can see there's the odd little bit where the glue's not quite attached there. If the glue's stretched, the canvas is fine. So therefore I will just score that. In fact, let's do it now. I'm not sure if you can slightly see them, but I will just score those with a knife. And then we'll flatten those down. They've not quite gone down, so I'll do them the other way as well, just to let the air escape. And this won't affect the glue for your diamonds, and as long as you don't score too hard, it also won't go all the way through the canvas. And that's it stuck. There is still sort of a slight shine on it, but it is stuck down to the canvas now. So I think the camera has shown you that looking exactly the same. But on the back, there's no real divots in it. There is the odd little crease, but no big divot. So I'm happy with the canvas. Not happy that it's the wrong one, but I'm happy with the canvas. So let's have a quick look at the inventory sheet. Okay, this is a 50 by 50 and this is a square. So that is the image that they've sent me, which is the tree on white, though it should be on green. And we have 23 colours in this one. So we have 23 colours. And we should have 105 packs of the 5200, which means there's a lot of white. Now, you may already think that there is no way that there is 105, and that's true. And that is because one of these bigger packets, so just to show you compared to this 472, this one is small and this one of course is bigger. This is equal to 5 of these. So rather than counting 1, 2, 3, I'm going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 5. So I've actually got all that I'm supposed to have of that colour. So we'll give that a little check mark, and then while we're here, we'll have a look at some of the other colours that we've got. So 523, that's a nice sagey green. 3 of those. 364. Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 7. I got in a little panic then because I've got 3, 4, 6 as well as 6, 4. I thought we'd got them muddled up. So I'll lose them. 3, 7, 5, 6, which is that pale green / blue, because my last one had quite a bit of that, and that was blue. We've got a yellow in here as well. 8, 9 of those. Yep. 9, 3, 6. This will build up my green stash, won't it? 4 of those. 8, 4, 4. 2 of those. Now 3, 10. You wouldn't think this, well actually yeah, the trunk's got 3, 10. Supposed to have 10 packs of these, but these are again the bigger packs. So that's 5, 10. And then we've got 474. Some nice brownie beigey. 5 of those. 38662. 8224. 6482. 746. Now 18 of these, and these are the small bags. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And I've lost it again. There it is. 3371, which is your dark brown. 3348, which I should have 5. 30721. A little bit of grey in 414 and 415. Here's the 3346, not 64. 4 of those. And 472, 4 of those. Now this also says that I should have 772. Oh, and I do. It's me. And I should have 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You're probably all screaming at the screen that I've missed one in the top corner. Yeah, so I've got all of the diamonds that I'm supposed to have. I do have the wrong picture, but only ever so slightly. So I'll message the seller about that one. But yeah, that is my next one. Just to confirm, it is a 50 by 50, though I don't have any real worries that it is. I'm going right up to the edge, because of the actual printed area. And this is just over 49.5. So I'm happy that that is classed as a 50. And if I did this last time, hit my back wall, and that one is 50. So we have got a 50 by 50. And to get those off, I will show you the drill field. Now, yet again, Homfun symbols, I do really like them. So we have 23 colours, and they are all letters or numbers. There is no other type of symbol. But this is the canvas to show you. We've got some really nice clear symbols there, and as I say, all in letters and numbers, which I still like to have the DMC numbers on my labels, but if they only give me letters and numbers otherwise, I also put the symbol on. There we go. And then just to have a quick look, maybe have a quick look at the bottom. We've got some darker, so we've got some, the W here I think is the black, a 310. We've actually got that in a couple of flowers as well. So there we go. That is my spring season tree. And I've got a little bubble there. But that one is actually just flattening out with my nail. And that may well have been caused by the way I took the contact paper off, possibly. But because the back of the canvas is perfect, I know that the rest of it is all going to sit nice. So I'm going to get on with this one. I will get a video of my winter tree done as soon as I can, but I wanted to get this one unboxed for you. Partly so you could see it and partly so I could diamond paint it. So thank you very much for joining me. If you've got any questions, please ask them below, and I'll speak to you all again soon.